We spend a lot of time on this channel talking about ways to manage your money, with a particular emphasis on getting what you need at the best prices. But what about spending money on a website that solely aims to find patrons they can defraud? Fraudulent shopping websites are online stores that use deceptive practices to take advantage of unsuspecting shoppers. These sites may look legitimate on the surface, but they often contain fake products, inflated prices, and concealed charges. They also may not have adequate security measures in place to protect customer data from being stolen or misused. It's a good practice to thoroughly research an unknown website before making a purchase. Let's take a look at the top 10 ways you can investigate an online shopping site you fear may be fraudulent. Number 1. Check for reviews on the website and other places online. Do a Google search to find out what other people have said about the site. Aside from running a quick Google search, you can also check out third-party review sites. A legitimate business will most likely be featured on any of these sites, especially if they have legitimate and verified customers. Some untrustworthy sites may have fake reviews, so be sure to look for reviews from credible sources. Always keep an eye on the telltale signs of fake reviews. For example, always check the reviewers' profiles to ensure they are legitimate and verified customers. Another thing to look out for when checking reviews is to look for photos and steer clear of generic reviews. Make sure to look for reviews that specifically discuss their experience using a particular product. On the other hand, you should be wary about buying from online shopping sites that do not have any reviews on their website or third-party review sites. In summary, you should be extra cautious about buying from websites when you have no reviews on which to base your buying decision. Number 2. Check for grammatical and spelling errors. Often, fraudsters move quickly and may not check for proper spelling or punctuation. Fake websites, or those created only to scam customers, are easy to spot because they have a generic design, and the website content is not professionally written. It should send up red flags if you spot a few grammar and spelling errors. It's not uncommon to find a few typos and spelling errors. Still, when there are too many of them, or there is obviously no care given to building the content, it tells you that this isn't a professional and legitimate shopping site. Therefore, make it a habit to look around the website and check the content. Always look for signs of quality or, in this case, a lack thereof, and stay away from the latter. Number 3. Make sure the payment page is secure by looking for HTTPS in the URL address bar and a padlock icon near the address bar in most browsers. These indications show that any personal information sent through the form will be encrypted and secured against fraudsters. Sharing your credit card and financial information on an encrypted website gives you the assurance and peace of mind that your confidential information is safe and protected. On the other hand, you should think twice about shopping from websites that do not have encryption because you could lose personal data. The safest option for paying online is through PayPal and your credit card, since you can easily dispute them in the event that you have been dealing with an online fraudster. However, it is better to be safe than sorry and avoid buying from websites that lack security protocols to protect customer information. Number 4. Review the website's terms and conditions, privacy policy, and other related documents before purchasing. A complete understanding of the policies will help you ensure that the business follows all legal obligations to customers, including return and refund policies. Make it a habit to read the fine print and the terms and conditions of using the website. A legitimate online shopping site should provide this information on its website. If not, that is another red flag you should be aware of. It is a simple step that could save you a great deal of trouble later on. Number 5. Check the website's domain registration information. Searching the domain registrar's website or an independent domain name search engine will reveal when and by whom the website was registered. You should also note the contact information of the entity that owns or maintains the website. If this information appears incomplete, outdated, or untrustworthy, be wary. This may be a sign of fraud. You must also take extra caution when dealing with relatively new domains. Ideally, you should only buy from online shopping sites that have been around for a while. Number 6. Check if the website has a professional design and clear navigation system. A legitimate online store will usually possess basic web design elements such as contact information, a privacy policy page, secure payment options, etc. Legitimate businesses will employ the services of a professional web designer and graphic designer to build their website from scratch. These companies want to showcase a professional website designed to attract their customers. Therefore, a website that has not been designed properly or uses free templates should send out red flags. Make sure you take the time to inspect the website's various elements before you buy from them. Number 7. It is also advisable to do an internet search on the company name to see what results come up about them. An easy way to do this is to search the terms company name fraud and see if any information is returned. On the other hand, if you cannot find any information about the business online, consider it a warning. Legitimate companies and their owners will want to increase their online presence to attract as many potential customers as possible. If you cannot find any information about a company online, they could be hiding it for a reason. Number 8. Check if the company has a Better Business Bureau rating and how long they have been operating. The Better Business Bureau website is an excellent place to start if you want to check the legitimacy of the website. However, it does not mean a website listed on BBB isn't a fraudster. You must take it upon yourself to check any online information and reviews about the website, even if BBB has rated them. Number 9. Stay up to date on the latest online scams so you can identify potential threats and protect yourself against them. You should read up on the common scam method to be aware of when doing your online shopping. It also informs you how to conduct your online shopping to ensure the highest level of protection. As previously mentioned, you should refrain from sharing your payment information on websites that are not encrypted, and you should be extra wary about email phishing scams. The more you know about these scams, the better you can protect yourself against them. Number 10. Be wary of sites asking for too much personal information or promising unrealistic rewards or results that seem too good to be true. Legitimate sites will never ask for more than necessary. The old saying goes, if it's too good to be true, then it probably is. Many online scammers offer irresistible rewards and price schemes to attract potential customers. It is part of their strategy to lure customers who might think they have a great deal on their hands. However, they often realize too late that they have been tricked into a scam. Online shopping sites are increasingly popular these days, with more people opting to buy online than in traditional brick-and-mortar shops. Online fraudsters and scammers have an opportunity to exploit innocent customers. Therefore, it pays to know how to investigate a potentially fraudulent website before you buy from them to ensure that they don't steal your hard-earned money. Taking extra safety precautions is the best way to combat these activities and protect yourself and your money.